Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
When I hear me, can you hear me? When you can hear me? Alright. Nikki, I not have a problem with you wash the light, but you need to go wash your foot. Go wash your foot, your foot them dirty. Just Johnson, big up yourself. Sissy, Bangkok, Thailand. That's some of that. I line up a group trip for next year, you know. The date for the group trip is early. It changed to early December. I don't know what it fly up in my sound unwell. Sound unwell. Well, I don't know where I hear no boo. I don't know where I hear no boo, but I'm good man, I'm not unwell. I'm good. One thing with Thailand, you know, the food good over here. The food good over here, so if I food for make you, if I food for if our food for make you feel good over here, then you're in a good place because I tell you so the food turn up over here, you know? Sawati crap. Mixup, you're the boss, you know? Sawati. People that saw them preach over here in Thailand. Sawati. Sawati. Alright, Nikki, don't worry yourself, you have a beard. Ba 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 boom, ba ba boom. No, I'm not go to Jamaican restaurant. Me go there already, you know. Me go there the last time, but there, me go there, you know, but mix a lot, you know, give it to them I do them thing, but when I come them place, man, a Thai food, I want to, you know, to, you know.
Yo,
Hello?
Raga Wagwan.
You know some man there, where you say, Papa?
Yeah, Raga Wagwan.
Where you say?
You like it
Yeah,
up on
what?
the States. Like
No,
you
you know, say,
overseas.
no, Thailand, me there Thailand, you know? Yeah, me there Thailand. Yeah, you
Why
hear me?
Jamaica mash up Raga the whole of, yeah, man, I hear you.
Yeah, man,
The whole of Senti mash
me
up.
know, me no, me know. See, I make couple posts about it damn thing, you know? I make couple posts about it and thing, man. Senti feel it, cause I wanna get the big lick, you know? I mean, 6 parishes get
Yeah,
whacked up,
yeah.
but Senti get the worst, you know? Senti get the worst. I sent to you
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Aye.
I sent to you there.
Yeah, Senti me
Eh?
live, Cheddar Beach side. Yeah, Treasure Beach side.
Oh, see. Oh, so wanna get it to you know because I know some of the south side to you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Wanna get it harder to you
The
know.
whole of us, the whole of our seaside gone.
John, no. I wonder how Colin Chan and all them people because you don't know so over this what you name Calabash where kids used to keep to, you know, and them
Aye,
place.
and Jakes them, the whole of Jakes. Why?
Jakes,
My
who's
God.
Jakes? Who is Jakes?
Jack Sprat. Jake's
Oh,
Hotel and Jack Sprat, man. Down
right,
there too, you
right,
know.
right,
Down
right,
Treasure
right.
Beach.
Right. Oh, them get back up to dawn.
Aye, the whole seaside come right from Calabash Bay go right down to Billy's Bay, Fort Charles, all of them place there.
Well, I'm sorry and thing, and me see the people them a rally around, but we just hope so them keep it up, you know, because them have a way with them something and people them do it the first 2, 3, 4 weeks and then after a while it's back to them whatever thing, but that's something I will rock on right now. Years before I recuperate from it. Years.
Yeah, man, years.
Years,
Right
years,
now, look,
years,
I don't know,
years.
Jamaica still and enough parts still not fully electricity yet.
Yeah, yeah, that is usually the case after a major hurricane, you know. So how you are
So when
keep
you have
up
power
on
back at
things?
J, well, we have to
Yeah, so
survive, you
how I
know,
come.
Raga, we have to survive, you know.
See, it's in our blood, it's in our blood, it's in our blood, it's in our blood,
We
it's
have to
in our
survive, anyhow, we have to survive, you see it. I plan to see me can go to Manchester, see me can, you know, try and hustle some things, cause boy, bad. Don't have come like,
Oh,
they're gonna need whole heap of work.
right, 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 right. Ah, boy, but you and me, I say, no, you gonna hold it, you know, just hold it, you know, one day at a time and push through, you know. The diaspora rally around, me see people from Holland will try to do what they can do and thing or whatever. You know, me quietly I do my look much and thing and I encourage people to do for them thing. Yes, what I say? I try come down there in January. I see if I can get a fear and come down there in January, you know. That's what I say.
Yeah, man, yeah, yes, man, hope we can make it for real, man. Cause you that come big up the thing, you know. If you come
Yeah,
and do a
man.
little thing, you know, say, we're out there.
Yeah, me I go try see if I can go down there with something. One day the government have any little thing down there, like if you bring things to people, they're not charge, you know, this and that. Yeah, yeah. I would imagine that they have something like that, don't
I tell you, supposed to, man, once you say, you know, you help out and supposed to, because you remember you're a big
yeah, they're not
influence, you know,
supposed
man.
to charge, you know, big tax and all them something there, whatever. If it up, you say, yeah, bring it for give people and help people. So Jason Jones say yes, Monica say yes. All right, them have that. So I got to talk to my people in the town from them and see if I can, you know, come down there in like January. And people, when I think say January late, January not late, you know, I tell you that something yeah, it nah done today. It's a long time. People are gonna need help for a while, you know. So based on my movements, January before me can probably reach this way, you know,
I
even though
think,
me
I
have
think,
the
I
young
think, I
ones.
think Amazon have, I think Amazon have free shipping till November.
I don't want it for vehicles, so my vehicle ain't
What
gone.
you mean? We're in November now, you know,
Amazon,
so what you mean?
yeah, yeah. Amazon have free shipping, I think, till the 28th of November. Them have free
Till the
shipping.
28th of November.
Yeah. So if you want to
Yeah, but
send
that's
it,
when you
we
buy
bring
it.
it
That's when you
forward.
buy. No, no, no. No, no. Free shipping is when you buy something and you ship it.
Right.
Right. But when you ship it, them not charge if you ship it.
Right. Okay. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah. So if
Me
you
not
buy
talk
like
about for
put
buy
things and put
something.
in a barrel or whatever, they not charge you.
Oh, me see what you said. So you can't do barrel with Amazon.
And then some people say customs waive duty on government until December 31st.
No man, them tell me that in the chat already, you know.
That me I read too.
Huh?
Alright, I say a word here.
Alright.
Yeah man, bless up yourself, man. Respect, here.
Yeah, yeah.
She say that is something. I didn't want to call him, but she say that that's your brother.
Wagwan Raga.
Yeah, I say.
I check in, you know, long me never get fi check in for your program because I don't have to miss side mash up.
Well, I sent to you there.
Yeah, send him me there.
Which part I sent to you there?
Place near Milesville. Like you go
Where you
Leeds. Milesville. Like when
Mayerville, like
you
you
go
go Leeds.
you go Santa Cruz first and then you go toward Leeds and you turn off. Go up in one community named Myersville. It then near you can stay from over there and see over the backside company over what's the name again?
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, see? So how things look well over this is still over the flat too.
Yeah man, over here flat man. Flat.
Yeah, no.
All me a door me have to
Yeah.
sleep.
Wait, you sleep outside?
Yeah, outside me have to sleep bash, no. We not get no major help yet, but me a plan to go. Hold on.
When they say outside, like where outside you sleep?
No outside, just lay down outside. On the mattress. On the bed bottom and so forth.
So, well, I know say a lot of going, but I just want to know specifically where you are. So you sleep outside on your mattress. So other people in the same situation where they must sleep outside, right? I'm just confirming because I already hear that and see videos with that already, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, people already asleep outside. Some people have to make makeshift tent like with tarpaulin and them something there.
Yeah, I know, I go through it, you know. And what else you can inform us about, make we know in terms of what the conditions are? First of all, are the ladies there safe?
Repeat?
Are the ladies who happen to be outside and the place dark and whatever, are they safe?
They're safer than even who the inside, to be honest.
Why you say that?
Yeah, because a lot of people they have male where protect them and so forth. Like some of them have
Oh, good.
them man friend and them brother and them uncle and any kind of male back it table that did there for protect them and watch over them and so forth.
Good. That no one here because right here some other look a song from some other little place or some little boy in a beer and not go a certain way and them boy if they get paid. So I love that. So the man them must stand up and defend a female relative and just defend woman, even if you don't know a woman, even if you don't know a woman and you say boy you know say she over this road with her mother and her pity them. I want to say miss you okay and defend her and say you know any little thing with there so you know them come here and defend the woman them here.
Alright, me tell you something I say happen now in that side of Jamaica, I don't mind it happen in the whole of Jamaica. A long time Jamaica and them not live together in a unity. Everybody want go out and help, everybody want come from all different parish, everybody want live from every different country in the world. I think about Jamaica. Everybody, even people where did I look down upon people and I watch who have this and who not have that. Everybody sort of want to come out and I help and I do something to try get back. People go back on their foot or carry them close to back on their foot. So that's one of the things when I kind of admire. I'm not glad for that, but I'm just glad for everybody. I try to
Yeah.
live in unity because I feel like say as my grandmother always say, and me as some of the born late 80s, me always say to my younger friend them, including my son, and I say to them, say, look here, the reason why a lot of things why people don't not really look out for people anymore. Raga, remember one time we a boy when I want TV there in our community and I want somebody have one cooler box say, you know, say I have to talk to the neighbor because if you not talk to her, you can't beg her put down in your cooler. You can't go yard go watch TV. You can't do certain
Well,
things.
I
But
know,
now,
and hey, well, you know, say you definitely come from my age too, because sometimes I tell people that I say, oh, when me I grew up, you know, you have one TV on the block, you know, and it's a black and white TV and a big back TV, them or whatever, we have antenna and all them something there. And you see
yeah,
the people them who own that TV, them are God on the road, you know, because when you need to watch Falcon Chris and Dynasty and Bonanza and them sitting there and a yard they have to go. I will give thanks to them, put it at them window, I will go in at them yard, I will sit down and we can watch the TV through the window like we can get to theater. Yeah, and that's where I come from.
yeah. So when you see because now everybody can buy themselves a flat screen TV because they kind of make it available now. It's segregated, real love.
Yeah.
And then so men and back then, all right, back then any parents in the community could have lick your pitney. Any parents at all. If you do something wrong
Yeah.
and somebody else parents catch you or do something wrong, you get beaten from them. Plus when you go and go tell
No,
mommy,
not
you
only
get
that, you
beaten
know.
again.
You see, well, you see, as long as them not abuse you or cut you or do you nothing. You see, when you go home and you go tell my mother, first of all, me couldn't go tell my mother, say, ma so and so drape me. Because the minute me tell my mother was say, how will you do? How will you do? Make ma so and Mr. So and so do you, I something you do. You understand? Because the understanding was there, so the community, I look out for the people them and everybody, I look out for everybody. You see what I say?
Yeah, man, it's another beating that you get. You see, you remember the
Yeah.
little TV? Remember the TV where we have where you turn it goes to click, click, click. You turn it something like it goes to click. Sometimes to it now pick
No,
up properly.
no.
You have to get one lick in the side.
No, you know, no, man, you remember when the TV, the dog was something when it keep on a go. And you have to try to catch it, it's steady and stay
Yeah,
one
if it's
place.
steady one
But it a
place,
run up.
it a run up and down. You see only for line, them a run up and
Yeah,
down.
the
Then time
Yo,
they
those were the days, man.
then time they have you never have TV, you have JBC. You have
You have
JBC.
JBC and your TV go on channel 3 and it not move, kind of have nowhere else to go.
You have to wait all the time go off and when TV sign off. Nothing more for your side there or night.
When TV sign 12 o'clock. Yeah, no, what I mean, it's still on channel 3, but it not go
Yeah.
nowhere else after that. Because I one channel we have JBC, Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation.
But as Mr.
You
Raga,
see, no, but
tomorrow if you come up
yeah,
in a St. Thomas, me I go up one of my sibling them father also and father drop out left. But no just me I go up there, go and stay up there. Me and my son, but the only favor mother has, Raga, me not beg nobody no money or nothing. I tell him I want who can assist me with clothes both for my son and for me. A little food and some would deeply appreciate. As me say, me I come to Kingston tomorrow, go St. Thomas.
all
Yeah.
right, all right, all right then. Let me see your name. Okay, all right then. Okay, all right, Papa. Hang in there, you know, and all the best and things, strength and protection. Here, sir.
Yeah, somebody asked how old my son is. Well, my son is 5 year old.
Whoa, look at baby.
Yeah.
Thing, you know. All right, Papa, safety here.
Yeah. Alright, whoever I check for me
Alright.
then can just inbox me and for anything what them want to find out.
Alright, cool.
Yeah man. So
Alright, blessings.
when you come down Raga?
Come down to
Jamaica,
where you
you
mean?
know?
To the US or to Jamaica? Eh?
Jamaica. Jamaica.
Um, may I try reach in January, but me don't know yet here, but may I try come down in January, yeah? May I see how it go, yeah? Alright?
I want question man for ask you. What you do for age no show up on you?
Oh, me? No,
Yeah.
I'm an old man. I'm an old man. Me a 50 enough, you know?
Eh?
Yeah, man, then a old man that man, then I say, my pop down. You know who you have to ask about that? Zachary Harding, I one of them. You see how them man they look, see me how they look decades ago. And next person is who? Sham, Baby Sham. You know, so Baby Sham look the same way Baby Sham look when he was 20 odd years ago. You know, so I look the same way.
That's
Eh?
true.
Alright, Glamour Wayne, right? Them Glamour Wayne, Zachary Harding, and Sham. Them can't tell me say them now look like them now do the ever young warrior. Them a do the ever young warrior. Them three man them know for sure. Them a do the ever young warrior. Zachary Harding, Baby Sham, and Glamour Wayne. The three of them a do the ever young warrior because them man they look the same way. You know, say me all that part though. Nobody don't even look for me right now. Right.
Oh, one more thing you have to
Alright.
say pretty about Cynthia Westman and the people that go down there with care package. No say if you can reach out to even one or two policemen for travel down there, because some of the men down there them are hold up some of the people before they even reach the place. And I take.
You
Because
know,
then
so
take one truck.
me hear say that
Then
I
take
go.
one truck.
Yeah.
Then take one truck where they are with 300 something. 300,000
Yeah,
worth of
we hear
from
about
here.
it. Yeah, me hear about it. So the chopper them and the shatter them take with the thing them and talk about we hungry too. And all them something there. You don't really want that something they take off, you know, because when you take off and then all who have strength no beliefs that them can't do it. You know who have a suffer, the vulnerable have a suffer. You understand?
All them have to do
So
is
you don't want that thing that
all them have to do is wait then turn.
alright, well, no guy could try that with me and I'm reach down the January and I'm gonna do a thing. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so but me have my bucket tip them already still, so you know that.
I know you
Yeah.
think you think no Lily, you know.
You see. So no say a word, man. So no guy can't come try that with me. Not in a Jamaica. Not in a Jamaica, a guy can't try that with me. A guy try that with me and all kind of sick now. You understand? Anyway, yeah. Anyway, big up yourself, you know, and people here, the general reach out to you, who can link him direct, and link him direct, and, you know, so we can, you know, all right? Blessings here.
Yeah man, big up again, bro. Take care.
Yeah, man, protection. Function Queen, a.k.a. Blue Sky Waters, big up yourself, you know. Ah. Oh, yeah, Christina. Sorry, yeah, man. Thanks. Here. All right. Hello. Hello. Christina, the person in there, so take them down, yeah? And I hear from that person. Thank you, Christina, can I keep on and make name to forget, you know? Stuck. Oh, you can't take them down, and me take them down first because if them not come in, you know. Oh, it gone. And people, why we're there and things, see, so why you have to scream once, oh, you know, so probably the kind of thing say, when I not hear me good. Alright, so when I talk, so now when I hear me good, pana volume. Alright, when I hear me, when I hear me, good right now. I just want to know something not to talk to. Thank you. Alright, then see it there. Me ear, the earpiece I go on good, so I not to talk loud. But people through Navlet, you see Navlet, through Navlet hard of hearing and thing and whatever, I used to have to talk to her loud, you know. Because when I talk to Navlet, I have to scream. Yeah, true, when I talk to Navlet. Talking about the cute screen, you did just now. I never do no cute screen, when you know, boy, man. Yeah, people always, you know, if I talk loud, true, I say Navlet, I used to, if I talk to Navlet loud and thing and whatever. And sit now, whatever. People, say Antasha in the chat there and thing, and people, may I beg you to pray for Antasha, yeah? Pray for Antasha because why I don't know. People need to get prayer for Antasha, you know. Antasha, you know, she not really, she know how to cook curry goat, but she did a try experiment with some other cooking and thing and it run her belly, you know. So when you get prayer for Antasha, yeah? You see somebody in the chat named Antasha. Yeah, she did a try cook some like a special meal or something, you know, people. I mean, I tell you, say diarrhea take her, you know, man. Diarrhea take her wicked, you know. So, that's what you say, that's what I say, but never, man. People, when I want to give a prayer for my friend Antasha, she not chatting, man. Yeah, she go, I don't know, she cook up some only for something and thing and whatever, and go mix it up, you know. And a piece of diarrhea take her, yeah, 9 days of diarrhea too, you know, I don't even 1 or 2 or 3. 9 days of diarrhea, that give new meaning to the term 9-day wonder. Yeah. Yeah, she said she dropped 5 pounds. Alright, big up yourself, Antasha. Blessing, man. Yes, so people, you know what is interesting? I am lactose intolerant, right? So me and dairy agree. But, you know, I take a look at risk and take a couple of dairy things over here. And what is interesting is that the milk over here don't bother me as much. Because to me there's some, I love latte, right, and a milk, but you can't get oat milk over here, you know, but we go a couple places and they never have oat milk and we just try it with fidem milk. And fidem milk over here don't bother me as much, right? And once me drink milk in America, a problem, man. But for whatever reason, well, you see the food over here, say in Thailand, people, it's like everything organic. You don't have to pay for organic over here because everything organic. You understand? I don't know if for the law or what, or whatever, you know, like in Japan, I think it's the law. You have to do it organic and thing or whatever. But over here, everything organic, everything fresh. Seafood is a big thing up here, so you know me not but everything fresh. Christina, bring up that person there for me. Miss K, big up yourself, you know. Afro Latina, one. Déjenme lo que pasó. ¿Todo bien? Ojalá que todo esté bien, ¿no? Hello.
What do you do?
Oh, this 90.
Yes, me 190 on the platform.
90 turn off the phone background. Nobody make the feedback come in here.
Sorry about that. I tell me watch movie. Sorry about that.
Okay, so I'm
190
going
on the platform.
90. You
Raga,
see?
to be honest, to you, every
90,
man.
I wish parish here.
Clarendon.
Okay, I get a little brushings too, but not so much.
Again, Raga, I tell you the honest
Yeah.
truth. Me not stay too long. I never know say I some love Jamaica. That I one. Secondly, every morning me cry. I water when me sip on TikTok, and especially when me hear Jamaica Chang play the music. Me cry I water every day. Every day me cry I water.
See.
Me feel it.
See.
Me feel it. I never know
Yeah,
say some love
man,
Jamaica.
I mean, see it there. Well, anybody see what Jamaica go through and I feel it, something wrong with him.
Yeah, because
Anybody see what Jamaica go through and I feel it, something wrong with them, Papa.
Raga, me say to people, anybody we see the video, if they heart no move, they are not human being. Because guess what? Me talk this in Raga. Me talk every day. Port Royal Getty. And I wish bad. But me remember Port Royal Getty and West Getty. Right? It a only 4 corner. One day, but and I nah say more people come up on me, but if you can look on it, if you want to count, go 10, you have to count from 1 to 10. 4 corner get one day to come in now. But me nah wish bad.
Yeah, man, you don't go there so now, 9. Don't know it's not the time for you to go there so. You cannot predict more destruction now, given what we're going through now, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Right, so given what the people experiencing right now, given what Jamaicans are experiencing right now, they don't need to hear somebody listen to me. Given what Jamaicans are going through right now, they don't need to hear somebody coming and predicting more destruction, even wider destruction for them. They don't need to hear that right now. So keep by your mouth.
Yeah, man. What you gonna know? Next month, me I buy so. Next month, me I buy about six water and shrimp can go down there because you know too little.
Six what?
6 case. Sorry, not 6 water. 6 case.
6 case of water.
Yes. Yeah, man.
That would be. I'm sure it would be well received. You know, every mickle may come up a little
Yes.
bit enough. And you know, even a little can go. You know, even a little bit of bottle of water can mean the world to some people right now. All right.
Yes, Raga. But big up myself, man. Me feel every day. Me wake up every day. Me feel it. Me cry live air water like when a baby, like when a mother give birth now, maternity ward. Me cry like a baby.
90.
Yes.
90.
Yes, me G.
I guarantee you with 100%. I know what you mean well and you just make a point, but you see baby pain, but woman I give whatever, you have no idea what kind of pain that is. You hear? So when you say you carry the living, cry the living I water, like when woman I give birth, you don't know about that something there, so leave that something there alone. You hear?
Alright.
Yeah, one different something that. You hear? You couldn't even bear that pain the night. You can't carry that pain. You hear? You don't know about that pain. That pain there one different pain. You hear?
Okay.
Alright. Yeah,
Time for
man.
correction
That's
still.
that pain. Yeah, man. Alright then. Big up yourself. You hear now?
Alright. Yes.
Yeah, man. Respect. Cool. Alright, take it down to Christina. People listen up. Alright, TamFam, man. Go see whatever you want to do through TamFam and whatever. Tentatively right now, just know say the plan is to go Jamaica sometime in January. I'm gonna line it up. I'm gonna be honest and say I prioritize my children's birthday, and you know, and I have something already lined up for Zion's birthday. So at some point after Zion's birthday in January, I want to go down there and whatever you want to do through me going down there, just let me know. In fact, I ask like Christina and Tasha for kind of coordinate that. I'm in a really good for them something. The coordinating part, because people are just insanely. Them busy too, don't get me wrong, them busy too, but them better at organizing stuff and for me, and then we could sort with this. So CBS and Antasha, I am spontaneously asking for your help, in whatever, TamFamers, whatever you want to do, and whatever, you just make CBS or Antasha know. And then we keep me in line, right? Yeah, if you not for money you not send, trust me, send it to CBS or Antasha or them will tell me what to do, right? And they will make you know. And then we say, Raga, this is a so and so, and you can buy so and so and bring down. I will want you to do so and so, and the people that want the money for you so and so. And that way, me not have to worry about them something. They answer, them just give me directions and and tell me what to do. Right? Like CBS and Tasha, like them could have anything to do with money, they manage it and just see the money there. This is what you want to do. You can buy water over here, so you can get Pampers or stuff. Even between now and I can't tell you. A couple women reach out to me for email products. Yeah, just think about it. Just think what some woman I go through. Right? So a couple women, and of course, put them things out there, because whatever, but only don't know it's so obvious, but there was two different women too, them reach out and say, we're not pressure your Raga whatever, but if we could have get so and so and so. And it's also female products. So I line up a thing to say, but as I said, just think about them things, them look at something that they're incredibly important right now, them right? So I have volunteered and Tasha and, and CBS without asking them, right? So I'm taking liberties here. Well, the assumption is that I know these two ladies and they're women of integrity, and they would be only too happy to do whatever they can in terms of their energy and their time, to contribute in helping our fellow Jamaicans. I also want to remind you all again also that, for those of you who want to do it, because I already say it, as some of you say, really too comfortable to say rather have more direct approach. But the site is of supportjamaica.gov.jm, supportjamaica.gov.jm, and yes, it's the government part of the thing, and if you're comfortable contributing there, contribute there, right? Right? See there already, and Tasha said absolutely. We sent a bunch of feminine care. I think that's important, And I feel we still most of women listen to me and watch me, so I'm always concerned for women. I think I'm going to co-host. See, that is that. And at the same time, don't be bashful about cheering up people, you understand? Don't be bashful about cheering up people, so. Because even this trip I did plan long time, for those of you who don't know, it's I have a travel agency, and there's certain credits and points I can build up towards certain things that allow me to come do this trip here to plan for our TamFam travel club trip next year. But even so, I had mixed feelings about still coming, but I decided to come and whatever because we have the technology and we can still remain in contact and express our sentiment on this hugely consequential matter that has affected and impacted Jamaica in a most adverse way, so at least we can there still tap and this and tap and that, right? So we give thanks. At the same time, I want to feel, say, if we don't find reason for laugh, like you're being insensitive. You're not, right? Laughter is a coping mechanism for stress. That is obvious already. When I know that, when I not go through certain things, if somebody can make one laugh to ease the stress, then that's fine. So that's okay. All right. Yeah, so over here in Thailand, Bangkok, and after this, just a reminder, where I am, Bangkok, Thailand, we're 12 hours ahead of US East Coast time. Wait, is Jamaica and the US on the same time now, or the time change? Jamaica and the US are on the same time now. Okay, good. Where I am, we're 12 hours ahead, right? So it's easy for check, right? Carolee, big up. Carolee, big up. Just John's, let me see your large up and thing. Oh, resilience is to pay somebody $100 to stop on their way through Chilani for check on our brother. John. No, Royal Nisha, I think you're wrong right there, so. When they say you're 1 hour behind the Caribbean now in Miami, you have to be careful which part of the Caribbean you attack here. Remember, we are referring to Jamaica now, so we don't want you to confuse nobody here. But if at Jamaica you attack, you're probably wrong because we were 1 hour behind, but remember the time changed. Right? So Miami and Jamaica have the same time now, so Christina just make you know that. Ryan Nisha, where you there? Eh? What are we you are hibernating in people in man house that you don't even know so the time change, don't? In Ryan Nisha, you don't know Miami there, but you in people in man them house probably under bed or something or whatever, you don't even know the time change, don't? Eh? And that a go on? Ryan Nisha. Ryan Nisha, here what? You in people in house with the people in man and them something there. You can't come out now. You come out and get some fresh air, man. Ryan Nisha, you can't come out and get some fresh air here. I know so the place where you're there, it have a patio. I mean, I like that because I teach you the right and things, so you know move right. So, you there people man here, you can't come up on the patio. You can't come up on the balcony. How that go? Nah, man. When you go to man here, then man, you have to have balcony ratings. You understand? You have to have patio ratings. You have to work out the things so that you think. Nah, man, you can't do that. When you go to man here, you know, say you're out about pyjama, you know, say, I'm a little linen thing there. Yo, Kingsley girl, you're bright, you put me in my pyjama. Yeah, you know, say, I'm a little summer over here at, a Thailand, you know. But, you probably think, say, never wear them clothes there in New York or something. No, I'm in Bangkok, Thailand, and over here, hot. Right? So, when you come here and chat about me in a pyjama, Kingsley girl, you're out there. Royal Nisha, you still a confused thing. We're not talking about the Eastern Caribbean. Why you coming out and want to make the debate about the Eastern Caribbean? And Jamaica we are talking about. Why you distract Rena Caribbean? Why down to the Eastern Caribbean? We're talking about Jamaica for obvious reasons. So why you are carrying over the Eastern? The fact that the time difference with the Eastern Caribbean and whatever, that is irrelevant to us now, you know. Where you want to start a discussion from that from? That is irrelevant to us now. We don't need to be distracted with that. And we not debate that. We just say the people, them say the time, Jamaica time are the same. Several people say that. You jump in and I say, well, 1 hour behind or whatever and distract everybody and thing. Or you were just curious, that's all. No, you never, your initial comment was posed as a question. You know, the one when you said about Eastern Caribbean, that was a question. But your initial statement, it came up as if you're telling us that you said the Caribbean is we're 1 hour behind the Caribbean, or the Caribbean is 1 hour behind. So, you know, it wasn't something where you're curious. You did not tell me something. So it kind of distract me, you know? Because then now, After everybody said, no, Jamaica is at the same time now with US East Coast, and then you go post that now, it kind of distract you, you know. But at Jamaica, we are focused on now, and Jamaica and the US East Coast is at the same time now, so we're going to keep it this way, you know. Pedro Caravantes. Pedro Caravantes. ¿Qué pasa, hombre? Dímelo. ¿De dónde eres? Hold on. You know something really good for us, man. No time I forget. People on the top of the screen, like up the live, like up the live, top of the screen, like up the live, like up the live on top of the screen, right? And press the orange heart beside my name on your device. Press the orange, tap the orange heart and do what is called the heart me. All right, everybody do a heart me. See that. Good Trace, do the heart me. Big up yourself, you know. All right, resilient, Lorraine, big up yourself. Verbal expression, can we get a look at the view, Raga? You know, say, me do that at the last live, but me don't really want to do that every live, you know. You probably never did on the last live. You know why every live me do me after that. You know, man, do that view something there, you know. Alright. Tracy and Nisha, big up yourself, you know. Every people tap up your screen up for me. Yeah, tap up your screen. I know there, tap up your screen. Yeah. Oh, you was at work? Oh, okay. Alright then. Big up yourself, man. Glad big up yourself. I'm missed the last live. I probably can't turn that something a little bit and show on a little bit of let me see if I can turn this and show on a little bit of boy. Since on the ass feet. Alright. Okay. Yo, and for those of you who will be coming on the TamFam Travel Club trip next year to Thailand, the first stop will be in Bangkok, and then we're going to leave Bangkok and go down to another really nice super beach area called Phuket. I'm in Bangkok right now, and when you come here, you're having a sense of what the hotel is like here, right? Well, you know, so when we come here, we're on a kind of scouting mission, you know, and I set the thing. Follow me? Yeah, so the way I do my thing, you know, I come over here, I investigate, and I go around and I check this and that and that and this and that. Eh? So I'm just showing out all I couldn't see like mine, look at it. See them have It's your own place, chaka chaka. Well, not chaka chaka, well, you know. Let's see what I go on, right? Alright, that is that. That's for the people who want to look a view. Verbal expression, your aunt is currently in Phuket. Yeah. Well, when I leave here, I'm going to Phuket. Because I want to not see where I want to go. We're going to come over here on the TamFam travel club trip. That is the purpose of this trip, you know. But we're riding and whistle down. Yeah, man, Phuket pretty, man. I'm going to show you when I go down, man. I'm going to make you see what I go on, you know. Okay. That is that. So, when I leave here today, I'm going up to the, there's a thing over here, it's called a floating market. Yeah, Thailand have these, it's like market, it's like really a market with like, you can buy food, clothes, all furniture. But it's pretty much up on a river, you know? And it's a thing over here, floating market. So when this live finish, I'm going to go up there. I'm going to go up at one, to do some recording and for sure know where I go on, you know? Verbal expression, you're afraid of height. Jojo Bless official, I'm in Thailand. Right now I'm in Bangkok, Thailand. Thanks, Christina. Yeah, we're going to go South Africa at some point, but not next year, probably that year after, yeah? To Queenie. So people, you know, say, when I come over here, I flew on Qatar Airlines, you know? Or as most people pronounce it, Qatar. Which is, they're pretty good. You know, I recommend them for those of you, you know, I recommend them for, you know, them standard is pretty good, you know. And for Middle Eastern airline, I mean, people want to know say plain food is just plain food. It's plain food. It's not going to be plain food that tastes a certain way. And for a lot of plain food, it's just hit or miss, you know. But I have to say, Qatar, them even in plain food, tastes relatively well, and you know, and it have that kind of mixture. They were like Jamaicans and people who used to food for season, like them have, you know, again, you know, once you go in a plain food, you know, it's not gonna be like, it's not gonna be Michelin level cuisine, but Qatar, you know, they do sufficiently well there, you know. him not realize that he's saying cock. People, the place is called Bangkok. I mean, they make a whole heap of joke about it, about banging a cock or whatever. For a long time, something about a long time. But that the city name, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what Miss K is saying when she said him not realize he's saying cock. What do you mean? Then I saw the word is Bangkok. What do you mean me not realize me say Bangkok? Me no. I don't really understand what you say this. Now man, for a long time with Bangkok people have made there's all kinds of joke about banging a cock and all them stuff like that. From long time, you know. Long time stuff like that. Worse, for those of you who don't know, Bangkok is the most traveled city in the world. It's not New York. And Thailand is a place of profound contradiction. Because Thailand is at once really conservative in many ways, but it's also, they're very religious. There are thousands of temples over here and something, and people literally greet you like that Saturday and something like that. And a very pleasant set of people, and the country is safe and all these things or whatever. But at the same time, Bangkok, and the name don't mean nothing where, the English meanings can play with. The name Bangkok have nothing to do with the English thing, like the colloquial expression, banging or cock. That have nothing to do with it, But people, English speakers have played with that. And the irony out of all of that is that Bangkok and other places in Thailand, Pattaya, especially, and then places. Some people say Pattaya, some people say Pattaya. The Thai say Pattaya. Bangkok. Oh, this move. They are known for something is going on here. Why? Oh, hold on to this thing. Wait a second. Oh, I think I know what's happening here. Alright, oh, maybe I'll do this now. 1 second, I have to be delicate here, so now, Yeah, what happened is I had this thing, there's this thing was holding up the phone, but it is one of them battery, one of them look at something that way, it have a charge, so it run out of charge, a while ago. Rather you're going anywhere next to a Starbucks. Juice me there, why? Why? What that mean? Eh? Juice me there, what that mean with the Starbucks? Oh, you need 2 cups. Okay. All right. Where what do you want? Cappuccino, a latte, matcha, you know, what do you want? Let me know, you know, me just pick it up and just drop it off and things. See, not a problem. Never took me like, so I'm in Thailand, you're in New York. Let me see, that would take me like 10 minutes to get it to you also, alright? But not even a drive, me just walk over and bring it to me, alright? One of the people, so what me going? What me going to that one and that one? Oh, well, juice me there. You serious about something? You really want to pick? No one that way they do not juice me. I mean, nobody, you know, Jamaican people, once they hear say somebody has to bring back this, you know, a beer list you start getting, you know. Okay, but just make me know, man. Make me know. Yeah, man, just make me know what it is juice me and me see what can happen, you know. But me's a travel light man do, you know, I tell you that already, alright? Walk my route, I say a word juice me, man, just make me know what is what, man, see? Alright, me check my deal. You know, because, let me tell you now, I'm afraid because I since I come by here, you know. You know what is interesting in my position is that sometimes individuals will, you know, it happens, will come at you for something, you know. But I always find it intriguing that each person who would do that, they will think of them alone and do it. Right? So yeah, people will come at me for this and that and whatever, but each of them thinks that them alone and do it, you know. And then now, if you say to them, say, no, I can't bother because of too many or whatever, then we start thinking you're being unreasonable. So they will say, I just ask you for a little souvenir, you can't bring me a little souvenir or whatever. And you know, and it kind of put me in a position where I say like, so wait, you think are you alone to ask a souvenir? And you know, when I like, almost always, the woman especially, would respond with something like, me different, me special, or me so and so, so me must get to me ass or whatever. And I like something, you know? Alright, but anyway. Some people want, they've been wanting to tell us something about what happened when I was coming over in Doha. Now, Doha is the capital city in Qatar, or Qatar, and that is where my connecting flight was. Anybody coming to Thailand, if you're not leaving from the West Coast, more than likely you're going to connect somewhere, you know. So I flew with Qatar Airlines and I connected in Doha. And while I was there were these gentlemen talking, and of course, the subject of the talk was such that my ears perk up and I start fast. So apparently, one of them knows somebody who used to work for the royal family in England. And before King Charles became King Charles, of course, he was Prince Charles. So at one point, his work required him to be in the presence of King Charles, then Prince Charles, for a while. And then, while he was in the presence of Prince Charles, apparently Prince Charles pooped. Prince Charles Lego a poop. So when he Lego the poop, it looked like the Saint box him. And when they said box him, he never said up. But it looked like when they said box him, he go shake him head like him go. And then say when he shake him head and go so whatever, the Prince Charles was sitting at his desk at the time. And then did a stand up. So when the Pope knocked him, and no, he was there alone with Prince Charles and somebody else in there over there. Apparently, which part of them there, you have an entrance, and apparently the entrance there, a good distance from Prince Charles's desk at the time. And this man, you know, he may stand up right beside Prince Charles. And then you had other people who stand up at the entrance. And Prince Charles did a do him at the desk. So he might wait for Prince Charles to give him something. So Prince Charles must have poop. Because royals poop too. They're a human being. And as we say in Jamaica, when somebody show off themselves, we have a saying in Jamaica, I shall go and say, I shall go like I poop no stink. Right? Like I poop no stink like everybody else would poop or whatever. Now, objectively, sidebar, that's not necessarily true, by the way. Vegan people and poop no really stink, you know. Yeah, people who don't eat meat and them something, they don't poop no really stink, you know. Yeah, people who just eat vegetable or whatever, them do. But when I know it go, we have this thing in Jamaica. It's a way of saying, at the end of the day, we're all equal. So you may have a degree, you may have title, you may have big house, you may win a suit or whatever. But we have a thing where say, at the end of the day, everybody poop stink. Everybody poop stink. So don't go on like you better than anybody else. Or go on like you want to come hype and all these things or whatever. Because you poop stink like anybody else poop. Right? That is our thing in Jamaica. We have that something. And so apparently Prince Charles poop. Then Prince Charles, he's King Charles now, poop. And it looked like when the poop whop up in general, you know, the general must him say, the guy, I pass, he must say, the guy don't even set up now do anything rude. Apparently him just shake him head and go. You know? Again, I pass in one conversation while I'm waiting on my connecting flight. And so I said, him friend, I tell him what happened. You know what I said? And him said, when it happened now, when him shake him head and think, him said, Prince Charles, look up on it. I remember Prince Charles sitting on my desk, you know. Him said, Prince Charles, look up on him. And him said, when him look on Prince Charles' face, that Prince Charles vex, you know. And Prince Charles pulled on back him in. And Prince Charles tell him, say, quietly tell him, say, you can go. And him said, but him did for wait for something from Prince Charles. So him did get confused like a second, you know? Like, but you know, give me the thing yet, I'm going to take from him. So it looked like in that moment there when him confused, Prince Charles tell him again, you can go. Go. So he said, just go. And he said, when after him go, the two people who stand up at the door, one was a lady, he said, Prince Charles call a lady there. And he said, she go up, they go stand up and thing. And in at the end, as him get this something for carry going. You know, so them fire him. Them fire him because him smell the prince poop. And go shake a little bit when him smell the poop. And them fire him. No, in truth, you know, back in the day, people them run royals, them dead fever, them dead for less than that, Yeah, them have all these stories, about King Louis in France and whatever and things. No, man, you make a one move, man, you're dead, man. Even in the Japanese, the dynasties, them, the different dynasties, them. One look move, you make around the king or the queen or the whatever, man. And I hit that, man. You get your history, So, but, in the modern times, you can imagine you have a career and you have an important job or whatever, and you get fired because you shake look a bit when you smell one royal poop. And you never did for share. So the brother now who will tell the other man now, again we are waiting for our connecting flight to come down to Thailand. He must say, hear him now. That's just bullshit. And before the one we might could I ever say, my hear me, the irony. And then yeah, the irony, it's bullshit. No. Anyway, that is that. But I would never want to be in a career that is so precarious where one little slight, not only a slight, but something that any reasonable person could say, like, that's understandable that you did that, give it a surprise or reach you, Because it looked like Prince Charles poop did stink, like he poop didn't really stink for true, right? And we all know there's very few things more disconcerting to the human experience than when you smell like a really offensive silent poop, which by the way, women are noted for, right? Men, you're more likely to hear man poop. So when you hear the poop, right, you know and say, a little saint near come after, right? But with women have these stealth poops. Right? Women have stealth poops, clandestine poops. Women have like special forces poop, right? They come with significant destructive force, but you never see them coming. And in this case, you never smell them coming, right? Women poops are known for that. Women poops are like spy poops, they're secret poops, they attack under the cover of darkness, a proverbial darkness, where even in the day, that dark poop is coming because you've just never seen it, Women's poops are known for that. And most women don't take responsibility for their poops and things like that. As we all know, that, Christina, she's like that too. And them people and whatever. Right? Christina and them going like them no poop. But we all know they poop, women poop or whatever. But, you never see a dangerous poop from a woman approaching you. You're almost for sure not going to, smell that poop coming or hear that poop coming. Somebody like them ANC woman there and thing, right? Yeah, they're noted for that. But to be in a job where if you smell your boss stinking poop, you can't do nothing. You have to just sit down there and take it like you're in a plane seat, right? You have to just sit down there and take it, right? That is not good. That is not good. When you're in a plane seat, you can't escape poop, The only recourse is to turn on the ear thing will come down for kind of help blow over the poop. But when you're in a plane and somebody poop and the scent catch you and whatever, and then and what happened that I think that I think poops, whichever poop, once them inside an airplane and them come out, it's like, you know, they have this attitude, like plane poop. It's like, you know, some people get hype when they're in a certain area, just because them in the area, them get hype, you know. I find that poops are like that when they're in a plane. When poop come out in a plane, nobody no better than them, you know. Yeah, when poop come out in a plane, them always go on like say, them extra. And what it is, you know, the reason why the plane poop them go on like that, you know, people, is because they know you are, for the most part, arrested in your seat. And you can't really go nowhere. You can't run, you can't whatever. So you find that when the poops then come out in a plane, for example, they have this really unpleasant tendency, and we need to talk to, I don't know if we need to talk to the FAA about it, the Federal Airline Authority and these people, but something needs to be done about that attitude with the poops them when them come out in the plane. Because when poop come out in a plane, you notice how the poop them always enjoy a drape you up. No, seriously. People, who don't notice it. Ordinarily when you're out and you smell poop and things, them more humble, them not hype. Think about it. No, I just want to remember. Think about it. Ordinarily when you hear, when certain poop come out, especially the silent one, they're usually humble and just kind of relax and calm and all them something. But when you're in a plane, and the poop them come out, them drape you up and thing, them box you, and them something there, and then through you can't move now, and you flash your head so, it's like the poop flash come over so, and you flash back your head so, and the poop flash come back over here so, and you hold down your head to escape, and the poop come down here so, and drape you, and say, where? There is no escape. And they do this deliberately, right? So something needs to be done about that. Because we have seen enough and we know that there's an obvious pattern there. There is an obvious pattern there. When poop come out in a plane, nobody no bad like them. Nobody no bad like them. And this type of abuse, when them go on with until we need to put a stop next to it. Something needs to be done about it. What? Will you say? Will you say juice mean? No, something need from the people. Let me see. Ruthie said, I don't poop, I ventilate. It smells like rose water. Whatever, Ruthie. Your poop stink like everybody else poop. Just like we say in Jamaica. People, yes or no, allow me to tell, when you smell a poop in a plane, no one different feeling. I don't know what to say. It's like, you know, it's like them arrest. It's like it's a drape you up. Am I right? Let me see what I want to say. Am I right? No, because serious, but I know what I said. Yeah. See then, when I know what I talk about, dog. It's one of the most, it's almost a helpless thing because you can't do nothing. You can't run, you can't take time, walk with smoothly and diplomatically. You can't, you know, you cannot initiate evasive action from the poop. You have to stay there and whatever, and when you cover your nose and whatever, people are trying to be polite and you know, want the person beside you say, yeah, but I don't business. I cover my nose, I reach up and I turn on that ear thing, and I put it for me and I blow it for me, whatever, and this and that. I don't business with the person that beside me. I have to do what I can do. But what I'm saying is, the key thing is, when the poop them come out in a plane, they know you are trapped. And they take advantage of that. and they are doing too much. When poop come out in a plane, the plane poop them, they are doing too much, and somebody need to do something about it. Then Marine, why this sound like we in a class? We in a class, I'm a teacher, right? So brothers, I'm making it know. All I'm saying is, at some point, we need to come together and unite and to resist this oppression that, you know, and come up with some sort of code or some sort of law or policy that will prevent, you know, the poops them from behaving the way they do when we are in the plane. When you spend your money and you're flying on a plane, there is a minimum amount of comfort you should have. And within reason, we know that poop going there, but the poop them, they don't have to be taking it so far and I get so aggressive just for the sheer enjoyment of it, knowing full well that when we're not in the plane, they don't behave like that, right? They put them more humble outside of a plane. But when you're going like an ATM or you go inside a plane or whatever, all of a sudden the poop get high. And I go on like them a chopper, like them a gangster. I want to go on with the most things or whatever. Christina, bring up that person there for me. Right verbal expression. We should be able to request an emergency landing when you have one of those lethal poops, you know, on you. Okay, I agree. Vacuum seats or something. You see, just by presenting the issue, we're now generating ideas. It's like great minds are coming together and we're generating ideas. Christina, bring up that person there for me. It looks like Christina and Adea. Oh, they left. They left. So, may I say, but I'm seeing, I know something I want to touch a phone now, you know, because I'm still seeing so the person that I'm seeing there, I'm seeing like say somebody is in the chat, in the box, so nobody is there. Antasha, Christina, nobody is there. Cheryl, big up yourself, you know. Me still I see it on my phone. Anyway, alright. Now go with what I'm saying. Alright, so when we leave you now, in about, I'm going to leave this live here in about 17 minutes. I'm going over to a floating market. There's several, Thailand big enough, right? And there's several floating markets. There's a floating market here in Bangkok. But the one, you know, the big daddy or the queen of all the floating markets is in an area called Dam Nguyen. And it's about an hour outside of Bangkok. So I'm going up there. I've been there before already, but I'm just going up there again to see if we can get some footage. And I may even try to do a live, like a little bit of a live while I'm there, because I'm a little set up here to do something, you know. Right? So we'll see how possible that will be when I am there. You may know. Oh, I get around with, you don't see the video with the tuk-tuk. I posted a video with me doing the tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk is a thing over here, so you have the tuk-tuk. Also common is you have these guys, thousands of guys who ride bike. Like, it's really scooter. And you can go up on them. And they're very common over here. You see people come out of them office and them business place and them just go up on a bike and the bike man drive them and ride them. And I don't go on the bikes. I don't do bikes. I don't hear them. But me do the tuk-tuk. Right? Me do the tuk-tuk. Then Marine said she wanted to ride in a tuk-tuk. Then you have to come on the trip next year. Oh, by the way, Christina. Oh, I'm glad I'm thinking. Delmarine, Christina, and Tasha. The date for the trip changed. It just moved on. Right? So it's actually, we're leaving on the 1st of December. The 1st of December. I don't know what I was thinking. It's a good thing I was talking to a TamFam, you know. And then I realized the date of departure was set for on Thanksgiving Day. I was like, oh God, no. I think, no. We don't know them traveling thing. Thanksgiving is the biggest travel time in the United States. And you don't want, if you cannot be in the airport on Thanksgiving Day, that's helpful. So it's moved on. We're leaving on December 1st. And remember, it's basically 2 days to get there, and then when you're coming back, it's 2 days back. So that's 4 direct days of travel, and then you're gonna be in Thailand for 9 days. So we're looking at December 1st, and then you're reaching back around December 13th, around that time. But that will be the time for the trip next year. So they have a lot of taxis here. People take taxi, and they have a thing over here called Grab, which is like Uber. And Grab is better than Uber over here, so you can use Grab. And you know, in some places you use ferry and something, but they also have a subway. I have this thing called BTS. The subway is underground, and BTS is a train that, for we in New York, that would still be the subway. But in Thailand, they make a distinction between the subway. The subway is an actual subway. It's underground. And they have the train up on the top, it's called a BTS. So me jump on the BTS and use the subway and everything or whatever. But I don't know me do my thing. Me I carry a group or whatever. Me have to go to the place first, know the place somewhat, and pick the right area for people. If we're meeting my type of people and my Jamaican, Caribbean people, I will enjoy. And the first thing we prioritize is safety. We want somewhere safe, but people, most of Thailand's safe, you know. You don't have to worry. I'm not looking foolishness here and there, but nothing unusual. Thailand is a safe place. One of the things that I find interesting is when you see little picnic them at go school and them they have this long distance on the train and them all, but you know, it's just safe, you know. But then me usually want whichever hotel I stay to, like there's some place where food is important, and the food over here is great and thing, but with, you know, people on my Ghana trip can tell you that, you know, the hotel where them stay, them have all these places where them can just walk to. Safe first, and access to places where them can walk to go buy food, buy little toiletries and whatever this and them look at something that I find important, you know. So I always set it, you know, to make sure say that good. And then transportation, you know, so you can you know, in Thailand you can jump on a train or whatever. And I usually put together an itinerary of activities, but you know, we also have a free day So people, when they have them free day, them can jump on the train and go, them want to go and all these things or whatever, you know. So the trip is, again, it's December 1st. So Christina and Tasha and my people, and time anybody asks us, tell them, say, it's December, it's at the beginning of December, the TamFam Travel Club Thailand trip. And again, you know, when you get here, you're doing basically 4 days in Bangkok. Then on the 5th day is a flying day. We'll fly to Phuket, and you do 4 days in Phuket and then you fly back. So it's really 9 days in Thailand, but overall it's 13 days because you need 2 days to travel to get here, 2 days to travel to leave. And it's well worth it. It's well worth it, I think. When I went on to Phuket, you're going to see how beautiful Phuket is, you know. And you're going to see the, you know, Thailand is known, is recognized to have some of the best beaches in the world. And when you go on the beach, and you can see why. I have my favorite. It is called Simona Beach. It is not the most popular, but it is popular, but not the most popular, you know. You have these other beaches that are, you know, but there are thousands of beaches in Thailand, thousands, and they turn up, you know. But Southeast Asia is known for its beaches, you know. So it's not only Thailand, you know, Vietnam, these countries, I think, the Philippines, I think they're known for, you know. No, sure, man. From here, juggling with Raga, man. Yeah. You know, you never notice a long flight. All I know, I'm afraid of long flight. You know how much people say they're afraid of long flight when they say the Ghana flight is about 10 hours and thing. And when them do it and thing and them watch 2-3 movies and sleep or whatever, they're like, it wasn't so bad or whatever. It's just in your mind, you know, you just hear the whole heap of time and you just think like, I can't do that, I'm going to go crazy and whatever. It's not even like that, you know. I mean, I'm used to traveling, so Cheryl, you want to. Christina, when you talk about you're afraid, Christina, you're a gangster, man. What do you mean by you're afraid of flying? Ruth, December 1st is your birthday week. You'll be on the ocean somewhere. Come on the Thai trip. And thing, but if you're up on the ocean, you don't know. CeeLo, what go down? Dr. Mac, what go on? So, you need some gummies. Yeah, anything you know you can make yourself more comfortable on the trip. Do that. Yeah. Let me see what I go on here. So. Okay. Alright. So I'm about to leave now, and again I'm going to the floating market up in an area called Damnoen. Okay, let me see. Where I'm see I do to the door. Yeah, man. I'm in Bangkok, Thailand, and thing, preparing for my TamFam Travel Club trip to Thailand next year. Okay, and if you go to tamfamtravel.com, you're going to see the Thailand trip there. But remember, I have to change the dates, and I haven't changed them yet. So again, we're leaving on the 1st of December 2026. Okay. Thank you, verbal expressions. See? Oh, by the way, if you're over here and you're not following me yet, please follow me now. If you're not following me yet, all I want to know what, if you're not following me yet, please follow me now. If you're not following me yet, please follow me now. And again, people, it's not confirmed yet, but we're going to try to go down to Jamaica in January. And for those of you who want, you know, to contribute something to Jamaica, I'm just asking you, I am asking you to talk to Christina or Antarsha. You see them in the chat. Just link them, right? And you're not gonna have to worry. No trust issues there. Those are two women who, you know, whatever you do, that's gonna happen, you know, and that will come out, I think, right? So whatever you organize with them, if you're so and so and so, they'll deal with it. Because I'm not good at them type of art. I'm good at executing. But like the administrative part of it is just not my strong suit, you know? So I get any help I can get kind thing, you know? So yeah, man, you see what you said? You see brown sugar? That person right there, yes. And the other person is called Antarsha. Right? You see brown sugar, that's Christina right there. And then the other person is Antarsha. Anybody who, say Antarsha there, anybody, if you want to do something for Jamaica, you just link any one of them and thing or whatever. Or if you want to link me directly, and then I would just, you know, if need be, I'll just put you over to them, okay? Alright? And they would keep a record of everything, and they will know what is what, and they will know how to organize something. And what they'll do, they'll say, Raga, this is what you're going to do. Right? And Tasha and Christina will just give me instructions. This is what you want you to do. Boom, 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 boom. And all Raga will have to do is to do what Tasha and Christina said. And that will make it easier for me. Right? So Tasha, they say, we got this. And people, you're talking about two wonderful human beings and whatever who would be only too happy, to commit some of themselves, their time, in order to facilitate any help we as TamFam can deliver, our little bit down to Jamaica and things like that. All right? I know who I'm picking here. And so you don't have to worry about that. And for those of you who would just rather want to do something direct, you can do something direct, remember. And because the only reason I'm mentioning this is because several of you have contacted me and you said you don't want to contribute on the site. But for those of you who feel comfortable contributing on the site, please do. Right? It's supportjamaica.gov.jm, and it's a Jamaican government site. Them deal with that, okay? And that site also has information about what is going on there. So I implore you to go over there and then see what's going on. But whatever is contributed there, the government deal with. I said it before, and well, I meant to say, yeah, we have had problems in the past in terms of when resources come in. Some people, haven't been as balanced as they should be, and as conscientious as they should be, and from both parties. And remember with the run with it fiasco and all and something there, but I'm not getting into that. So, why may I tell you, if anybody get anything for help Jamaica right now, and go abuse it, and go do something, boy, the amount of bad blessing one that deserve, may I tell you, boy, the amount of bad blessing one that deserve to follow on after that. I was never even, I know Jamaican use that term, bad blessings. I just think the word blessings shouldn't even be associated with anything to do with bad. But it's something where we are, right? We are saying, yeah, I wicked, bad blessing, I follow retribution and thing. So I'm just using that, but um, you know, you can't be naive, you know. So you know, anywhere you go, you have a certain type of people that they go. Come on, I didn't. So, yeah, but we all have problems, we have challenges and things, and people deal with them things differently. I understand. But boy, this man will want to say at Jamaica, anybody will go, if it's only for to ensure that you know, the right energy come at you. Nobody will do nothing bad for what's supposed to go to Jamaicans and you know type of thing. So I'm not going to lie, I would prefer. Sometimes I like that's something that with people money, you know. For those of you know, and people who are in TamFam don't know what it has been. You don't know what me I refer to or whatever. Somebody else, I'm about peace. I don't want to stress, you know. I'm like, you know. Not only that, I have you know, certain conditions that don't do well with stress. So I don't like stress, you know. So it's not good for me, it's not healthy for me. So because of that, I avoid certain things. But clearly this is an exception, and I heard some of you. So here's the thing. If you're comfortable with us contributing on the Jamaican government support side, do so. Do so. Go and do that. Frankly, I rather you go and do that. To be honest, right? Okay? And again, it's supportjamaica.gov.jm. 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 However, if you want us to do a TamFam thing, right? Then yeah, I'm gonna step up and think and listen to what I say and get this done, right? And that would mean me going to Jamaica sometime in January. Okay? And whatever you want to contribute there, contact me, contact Christina, contact Antarsha, and thing. And again, I'm gonna ask Christina and Tasha to just organize everything and just tell me what I have to do. Right? And they will keep track of this and say this person send this money. They're good at stuff like that. And they will have a list and thing and whatever. And they will just say, Raga, this is what you're gonna do. This is how you bring down water, you're gonna bring down, I don't know, blankets, you're gonna bring down these female products and things, and this is how, these are the provisions in place for you to bring it down now, and you know, and you can travel with this and worship this. They'll tell me what to do. And that's all I want. This is what you're going to do. And you're going to go years ago, and I'll get it done. All right? Okay, that is that. Anyway, I'm going to leave now. I'm going on the road. I'm going up to the floating market. Right? And to go check out that scene up there. I've been there already. I'm familiar with it. There will be lots of dishonest organization all over the world generate. Yes, yeah, unfortunately when these things happen, it doesn't matter where, Haiti, Jamaica, wherever. Oh God, yes. And I have seen, I have seen a lot of people, with different so-and-so, say Jamaica this, Jamaica that. And when you track some of the things them or whatever, they never existed before. Or the thing I find curious is some of them come from some distant places where you're like, what am I going to do with Jamaica? What do you know about Jamaica? So yeah, there are some entities out there who brand themselves a certain way, but if you do a look at due diligence and thing, you realize like, if you ever Jamaica this and that, St. Petersburg, Russia, and I'm not saying, you know, whatever, I'm just like, St. Petersburg, Russia? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But that is just my opinion on these things, all right? Anyway, if you're here and you're not following me yet, follow me now, okay? And we had turkey good as you know, so my mind the pie, she in a chat. Oh, you don't have no electricity. Oh, she have move over that side of the turkey good as there, you know, sandy there, you know. Okay. Hang in there, turkey good as. Conceited Chloe, big up. All right, Sherry, large up. We are 12 hours ahead of the East Coast over here. So, Roma, wagwan. Wait, am I Roma? Roma will come to Ghana with me. Roma, is that you who came to Ghana with us? So yeah, me have a show about you now. Yes, Roma, wagwan, boo boo. What's up? You hear me with my bright self. Am I Roma that? Yeah, am I Roma? Yeah. Alright, people. I go up on the road there now, you know. So again, we're 12 hours ahead. So for Uno still in a Tuesday, I'm already in Wednesday. So this is Wednesday morning, right? So Uno over upon the East Coast, for example, it's 10:07 in the night for Uno, but for me now, it's 10:07 in the morning the next day. All right? So exactly 12 hours ahead. Angie, big up yourself, you know. Yes, Roma, it would be nice if we can do the Thailand trip, man. You don't like it. I'm only Papa Beach, you know. Cause the second part of the Thailand trip, a beach, you know, Roma. The beach, them need to see you. Yeah, Thailand beach need to see you, Roma. Walk up on that and go out with some of them. Alright, Doran, big up yourself. Kimberly, yes, my teeth brush already. You're brighty. Go wash your foot back. People don't get it twisted. I'm a link, so, you know. Roma says she can't swim. Then Roma, you know, just do like the white people. And when we just come afar and I say white people go beach, you know. I don't swim at all and I go into the water, you know. But over here, some come know, so some can go so, you know. Right? And a lot of Jamaicans start do that too now. One time gone, you know, you'd have never see a Jamaican do that. Go beach and go in the water. No, it's a thing now, a regular thing now, people go beach and go in the water. And when me come afar, I say white people do that. Go beach and go in the water. Like when we just come afar and them say them go party and not dancing, nobody never dance. You know, when me I grew up, you go party, everybody at some point dance, you know, or dancing and go on. Right? When we come America and hear white people, I say, oh, we have a party, and then just sit down and a chat and a drink and a party that threw me off, man. So don't worry yourself, man. Alright, anyway, people. More nice. I should love water too much enough to go in and see there. Anyway, people, me have a Lego here now, you know. Alright, so I go up on the road, you know, I go over some floating market. That's what they call it, okay? So they are them go and run a business and things. See it? Alright, out the road, you know. Afro-Latino, nos vemos, mi amorcita. See, K, big up yourself, you know. Alright. Jojo, yeah man, I have to go up on the road, you know. I have to go up on the road, I have to go up on one place, you know. Line up for the trip and I have something, I see. I have to do my thing, yeah. Cheryl, big up yourself. G-Dub, Najo. Tas, I see you. Trees. Alright, movements.